Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix YouTube login problems. Step-by-step guide, step-by-step clearly. First, check that your internet connection is stable by opening another website or app. Restart your phone, tablet, or computer to clear temporary glitches that block sign-in. Confirm you are using the correct Google account email and password for YouTube. If you forgot the password, use Google Account Recovery and set a new password. Open the correct YouTube app or go to YouTube.com and avoid unofficial or cloned apps. Update the YouTube app from the App Store or Google Play to the latest version. Update your web browser to the newest version to prevent compatibility login errors. Clear YouTube app cache on Android from Settings, Apps, YouTube, Storage, Clear cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the YouTube app because iOS does not offer a full cache clear. In your browser, clear cookies and site data for YouTube, common accounts, Google.com. Try an incognito or private window to test if an extension or old cookies are causing the issue. Disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers, script blockers, and VPN extensions. Then try again. Turn off VPN or proxy temporarily because some locations trigger security checks and failed logins. Check the date and time settings and set them to automatic because wrong time can break authentication. Go to Accounts, Google.com, and confirm your Google account can sign in successfully there. Review Google security alerts and complete any verification prompts like phone or email confirmation. Enable two-step verification correctly and make sure you have access to your code method. If you use an authenticator app, sync time in the app settings to fix invalid code errors. Remove and re-add your Google account on Android or iOS if the device account sync is stuck. On Android, go to Settings, Accounts, Google, Remove. Then add the account again and reopen YouTube. On a computer, sign out from YouTube, close the browser completely, reopen it, and sign in again. Check if YouTube or Google is down by visiting the Google Workspace Status Dashboard or Down Detector. Make sure your network is not blocking Google services, especially on school or work Wi-Fi. Try switching networks by using mobile data or another Wi-Fi to isolate the problem. If you see access denied or couldn't sign you in, reset your router and try again. Check storage space on your device because low storage can prevent apps from updating or saving login tokens. Scan for malware on your computer because suspicious software can interfere with browser sign-in. If the issue continues, contact YouTube or Google support and include screenshots and exact error text. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.